Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Land Rover Defender 90 and this is by Hot Wheels. Again, I bought this for MRP which is 179. So without further ado, let's unbox this casting. So I do remember I had a Land Rover Defender 90, but I maybe from 2024 I guess, but I don't remember whether I unboxed it or not. So I do have a lot of cars which is still there inside a big box which is not even touched yet. From 2023 itself I'm talking about. So I have still around more than like 30 or 40 cars from 2023 which I didn't even touch. So even my wife was saying instead of buying new cars, why don't you unbox those older ones because most people might not have bought that, or they might not have seen that. So I was literally seriously considering that because I want to unbox all those cars. It is still inside box without even opened. Okay, so let's talk about this casting. Okay, so out of the box, the casting looks really beautiful. I mean, it is not heavy to be very honest. It looks huge, but it's not that heavy, at least in my hands. So we need to do a weight test and we need to see how that actually weights. Okay, so oh my god, it doesn't have any headlight detailing. It has it is embossed out, but again, this is not going to do any good if it is not painted out. See, they have a matte black here. They could have just painted white color on top of it. That would have looked really good, but they didn't do that. Okay, so the livery on the side looks good. I don't know what is this. Okay, these are dust. I don't know how dust particles are coming in. So okay, so there is a sunroof here, which is really nice. I personally don't like sunroof because it is just worthless uh, thing in your car. Once it goes, it is going to give give it is going to give you a huge bill. Okay, it doesn't have tail light detail as well. Okay, paint job is okay. I mean, it looks good. But I really wish they could have just painted the headlight or tail light, any one. My personal suggestion would be headlights because again, you are going to keep a car like this most of the time, not like this. Okay, so the body is fully metal, the chassis is plastic. Even this part here, the steps here, this is plastic. You can see the differential unit here, and it has rear view mirrors, which is good, and it has a spare tire here. Okay, this is just a piece of plastic just fixed. You can't swap or anything here, if you guys are wondering. Okay, let's weigh this casting. Maybe 34, 35 grams or below that. Let's see. Wow, 38 grams. But honestly, it doesn't look really that heavy given that the size is actually big. But what I'm saying is, for this size, the weight is really less. Because, even the Mini Cooper actually, that was very small. I mean, that was around, I think, 37 grams if I'm not wrong. Okay, let's do a roll test now. The tire looks really huge. I can see a wheel wobble here, but let's test it out. Okay, the rear wheel wobbles a lot actually. Even the front wheel wobbles a lot, but it does roll really well. Even though it creates a lot of noise, it does roll really well. Yeah, it does roll really well. I'm not seeing any issue there, but the wheels wobble a lot. Okay, let's rate this casting out of 10 now. So I'm taking 1 for the headlight and tail light details, and apart from that, so wheel wobble is there in my car, maybe not in yours, I guess. Okay, one more thing I missed to point out, guys. It has a mud flap here. And this is a part of the chassis. The plastic is a part of the chassis, but it has a mud flap here, which looks really nice. Okay, so apart from that, the car looks really beautiful. Sorry, the casting looks really beautiful, given that this is not a car. It's a Jeep, I can say. Yeah, or a 4x4. How, however you want. Okay, so I'm just taking 1. That's it. So 9 out of 10. So if you love Defender, I mean, if you love Land Rover, maybe go ahead and get it. Again, uh, my personal suggestion so far, with whatever we unboxed so far, I would say go with the Mini Cooper, because that has great detailing to it compared to this, or even the previous ones, the Dodge or even the Alfa Romeo and all. So my personal pick would be the Mini Cooper, and this was only one in the box actually. Again, I didn't get this as a box. I got it in that, pocket kind of thing. So I don't know what you call that, but I got it like that. It has wiper detailing and interior detailing. Everything is there. So, but my suggestion would be the Mini Cooper is the first one in this four so far we unboxed, and second one would be this. Third would be the Super B. Fourth would be the Velia. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you know my video, subscribe. And as always, you know, oh my god, I actually missed it. Trying to switch on the lights. Okay, guys, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.